Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this USB device not recognized error in Windows 11. So guys, here we go. Open your settings, go to Windows Update, find additional options, go to optional updates. Guys, there you're going to see the drivers which are not installed on your system properly. Simply check them all. And also, if you see the name of driver that you want to install, check it. Otherwise, just simply leave it. And now the drivers are being downloaded and installed. You have to wait here till all the drivers are installed, and after that you can restart your PC and try connecting the device again on your system, and at this time the error will be gone. So now let's try connecting our device again. And that's it guys, there you can see the error is fixed. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.